while the morning in seems calm. The strategic calculations are shifting repeatedly. Iran has introduced its new generation missile, the Khurram Shah 4. Military analysts are stunned because this weapon is claimed to be capable of penetrating the world's strongest air defense system. It is a masterpiece of Iranian engineering designed for dominance in high stakes conflicts. This missile has a range of 2000 kilometers and a 1500 kilometers warhead. It travels at Mach 16 outside the atmosphere, Mach 8 during re-entry, according to the Tehran's times. Its maneuverable re-entry vehicle can change its path mid-air, making it nearly impossible for radar to take with an accuracy of within 30 meters. It is built to bypass electronic warfare. General Abdul Rahim Musavi stated that this move follows the lessons learned from the 12-day war with Israel. New York Times satellite images show that Iran has quickly repaired its missile bases damaged in that conflict. Brigadier General Iyadullah Javani warned that Khurram Shah 4 sends a clear message to the US military power is an inseparable part of Iran's national identity.